Today we're going to show you how to change the motor on your QR-1 helicopter. First step, which has already been completed here, is to remove the bottom plate of the helicopter. There's 3 little screw holes. Take those 3 screws out and then gently pop the cover off the bottom of the helicopter. And this is what you have underneath. In this video we're going to be replacing this corner motor right here with the blue and the red wire. First step of the process is to take and gently pick the wire out of the little groove that holds it. Just pull up on the wire, it comes out of the little groove, and that allows easy access for the solder connections on the board. Then take your soldering iron, and we have just a inexpensive crafts type iron, anywhere in the 15 to 30 watt range will be fine, and quickly touch the tip to the wire, and it should come right off the little contact. And you can take your screwdriver, gently push on the bottom of the motor. It comes right out. Pull the wires out with it. And we have our new motor with wires already attached. Take the wires and thread them through the top of the motor pod. And when you insert the motor, be careful to align the 2 wires with the groove in the case. That way the plastic does not crimp the wire. Now we're ready to solder the connections back to the board. So red is positive, blue is negative. So you line positive wire up with the positive terminal. Just a quick touch with the iron is all it takes. And to ensure the solder joint is strong, just give a real light tug on the wire. It's not big wire, so it doesn't take much pressure. But if you have a cold solder, it'll pop right off. And same thing on the negative side. A little touch with the solder iron. Both wires are secured. That's the end of the soldering for that motor. Now you can take and just use a screwdriver. Toothpick works well also. And real gently push the wires back into the little slot in the frame. And this just allows clearance for the bottom cover to go back on. And there you are, motor's been changed.